Okay, the drone is staying home since the last time I went to Vegas. I took the drone with me, and then I found out that you can't fly the drone over the Vegas Strip, so that's staying here. That would save some packaging. Let's see, what else am I taking here? Gotta decide on the equipment. Lots of space in my bag. Basically, socks and underwear, t-shirts. My suit is in there. The toilet kit. And my little Logitech pointer for my presentation. And I think I'm gonna bring my gimbal to get some nice stabilized shot from the event. So yeah. Hopefully I win a prize so I can fill up this luggage when I get home. Normally when I fly inside the United States, I don't have to bring my passport, but then I read this article here, beginning January 28th, some US residents may need to bring a passport to fly domestically, because of this thing called the Real ID Act. And so the states in green, the driver license meet the requirements of Real ID Act, and you can fly, you just use your driver license, but states in blue does not have it, so I think I need to bring my passport. But it does say like New York, California, New Jersey made an extension request, but they are being reviewed. If it's not granted by January 22nd, resident will need to bring a passport. Alright, screw it. I'll just bring my passport just in case. Bye bye, Jaguar. I already checked in online, so I can go right through the security. This is an unusually long lineup for John Wayne. Good thing I have Delta Sky priority. I'll be able to skip all this. Well, that was pretty easy. Took all of 10 minutes to get through. Bypassed that entire lineup. Next stop, Las Vegas.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Las Vegas. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes and ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all of your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain's turned off the seatbelt sign.
Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. A pretty short flight. Took like 45 minutes pretty much. I flew up and then came back down. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna head to my hotel right now, and then go get something to eat, I guess, get some food. Oh, that looks cool. Just what you need to cruise the Las Vegas Strip, right? Yeah. This is the Las Vegas Convention Center. It is the biggest convention center in the United States, 3.5 million square feet. It is host to the Consumer Electronics Show, which is North America's biggest trade show, as well as SEMA. If you've never been here, you gotta check it out. This place is positively huge. I mean, really big. Well, you can tell which type of clientele is important to this hotel. Let's see my view here. Not bad. First thing first, gonna test the speed of this internet. All right, not looking that great here. Download speed looks like pathetic. I'm not so concerned of the download speed as I am with the upload speed. If it's like pathetic, then I'm gonna have a hell of a time uploading videos. But hey, look at that. The upload is faster than the download, so I should be able to post my YouTube video, my daily vlog with no problem. 10 megabits, that works for me. All right. So 3.75 down, pathetic, but 11 up, it's not too bad. I can work with this. I've checked into my room here at the SLS Hotel. This is the hotel we'll be hosting the Supercharge Summit, which will start tomorrow. Basically, it's the same hotel we host the last two Superchargers, so I'm kind of used to it. The room and everything, it's nice, it's comfortable. The internet is, the upload speed at least is decent, download speed, well, yeah. And a little interesting fact about the SLS Hotel. SLS, the guy who started this hotel, he came upon the name, which stands for SLS, Service Luxury Style. That's what SLS stands for, Service Luxury Style. But how he got the name was, apparently he was driving behind a Mercedes SL550 one day, and he thought the 5 was an S, so he saw SL5, but he saw an S, so he saw SLS. You know, that would be a great name for a hotel. So now we have SLS Las Vegas. Unbeknownst to him, even though he got the SL550 incorrect, Mercedes actually does make an SLS AMG. So, coincidence? I don't know. English and Spanish is to be expected. Chinese? Well, I guess that's to be expected as well. Just a little call out to anyone who's attending the Supercharge tomorrow. I've asked them to come join me for dinner tonight at 800 Degrees. This is a pizzeria at the casino level. Basically, it's kind of like a Pyology or a mod pizza. Basically, it's you custom made pizza. Like think of it as a Subway for pizza. They make you a little pizza thing, and then they add the sauce you want, and you choose your topping, and then they cook in an oven that is 800 degrees, and it takes like 3 minutes, and your pizza's ready. So we're meeting tonight at 7 p.m. I sent it out on my Facebook to everyone. We'll see who shows up. Hopefully at least one person, otherwise I'll be eating by myself. For those wondering about my traveling setup, you're looking at it. The MacBook Pro, the new ultra thin one, super duper thin, I love it. It weighs like 4.5 pounds, so it's super light, easy to carry. A 4 terabyte Porsche design mobile drive. This is where I saw the videos that I produce. My Samsung Galaxy Note 8 smartphone. When I'm on a plane, this is what I use. When I don't have access to this, mostly I'm using that. That's basically it. You're looking at what powers a multi-million-dollar business.